Hi better people, welcome to BetterChat. My name is Harsh and in this video we'll be talking about how you can create your first BetterChat account. Simply click on the sign up button on the header section as you can see on the screen. After clicking, it will take you to the sign up page where you need to add your registered WhatsApp number. For now I'll add mine and then click on get OTP. In a fraction of a second you'll receive a OTP on your WhatsApp and for me it's then I'll click on sign up. And now I just need to fill this very small form, like my full name, that is, the company name will be Better Flow, or I'll just put Better Task. Email is okay, and the password I'll just put my. Then I'll simply click on complete sign up. So as you can see, we have successfully signed up to BetterChat. For more future updates, please consider subscribing our channel.